Lisa, did you know 1/3 of venture capital investments in the United States come from the Silicon Valley alone? Can you believe that?
1/3.
1/3.
That's quite a bit.
Silicon Valley is the place to be. If you're an entrepreneur, if you want to open the next Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, this is the place to be. And we happen to be in the heart of Silicon Valley today. What do you think about this property?
It's amazing. The location right in Santa Clara could not be better.
Right.
Close to everything.
Yeah.
It's a great property, lots and lots of potential, very well maintained. You're going to love it.
Not to mention this avocado tree.
Yeah.
I think just the tree is worth $1 million.
Yeah.
Because imagine having all those
like
avocados.
80 years old.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 1746 Jackson Street. A beautifully designed classic Craftsman in the heart of Santa Clara on a sprawling lot of more than 10,000 square feet. The cozy covered front porch invites your favorite book and a great cup of coffee as you relax to ponder the day. The original architectural elegance of the time has been meticulously maintained, including beveled glass in the picture window and front door, crystal-like doorknobs complete with skeleton keys, and a custom built-in curio in the dining room. The spacious eat-in kitchen encourages the tradition of many family stories being shared. Beautiful hardwood floors glisten throughout this home. The remodeled bathroom has been expanded to include a walk-in glass shower with dual shower heads and modern finishes. A sizable detached room in the side yard can be used as a guest house, playroom, home office, or simply as a space to entertain friends and family. Enjoy the expansive backyard, complete with a prolific heirloom avocado tree, tangerine, apple, and other fruit trees, along with fragrant rose bushes and a host of other floral varietals. This home is centrally located to all major Silicon Valley tech companies, main thoroughfares, and public transportation, making easy access to many great restaurants, shopping, and amusement parks. As you can see, it's a great property, lots of potential. You can build an ADU, you can take advantage of this beautiful avocado tree.
You can extend the property. There's so much to do here. And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.